I'm going to walk you through changing the air valves on the back of the Oakwood SC350. So I've got, first off, you're going to remove the back cover that's here, and you're going to have access. There's a total of 1, 2, this one is missing one, 3, 4 of these valves. So, and 2 of them are one style like this, and 2 of them are one style like this. So is what I do, I'm going to change these one at a time. We don't want to come in and disconnect a whole bunch of hoses or you're going to get lost. So on this top one, is how those change is there's a screw right here on the top that you're going to unscrew, and that's going to unscrew it from the back. And there's a little fitting on the back that it fits in, but you're going to unscrew this screw right here, and this screw right here is what I do on the hoses. So this particular one here has got 2 hoses into it. For going from left to right, I put a piece on this one. This is number 1, and this is number 2. I'm going to take this valve out, and if you don't have these fittings, you're going to swap these fittings out, put Teflon tape on it, and then reinstall that fitting and reinstall those hoses, and then go down to the next one. You want to make sure that you install the actuator that matches this style here. The part numbers are on the back of them. You can check them out. I'm going to go and do the same thing. So on this one, I would mark this one 1, 2, and 3. And then there's one over here on 4. I'd mark those if you're not careful, and always go left to right. And you can even take a couple of pictures as these you go and just change them one actuator at a time until you get to the bottom. Other thing you want to do is you want to make sure, now that this model, the air regulator is on the front there, you want to turn the oiler down all the way closed and then back a quarter turn. You don't want to get too much water or too much oil in there. You want to make sure you're getting moisture clear of that as well. So that's how you change that. If you got any questions, give me a call.